In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sora 2 on Windows. As we dive into it, it's important to understand that Sora 2, developed by OpenAI, is an AI video tool that exists online rather than as a traditional piece of downloadable software. This means that while you can't download it like typical software, you can indeed install it on your Windows computer by leveraging Microsoft Edge. This will make it feel much like a native application and provide a more seamless user experience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to ensure you're using Microsoft Edge, as this browser allows websites to be installed as standalone apps on your desktop. Go ahead and open Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. Although it may not be the most popular browser choice for everyone, its integration with Windows makes it particularly useful for this task, providing a streamlined method to achieve desktop-like experiences for web applications. Once Edge is open, navigate to the Sora 2 website. You can easily do this by typing in the URL https://openai.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Allow the page to load fully so that you have access to all the features Sora 2 offers right from your browser window. Next, you'll need to locate the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of Edge. This icon leads to a wealth of customization options. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover over the section labeled Apps. When the submenu opens, look for an option that says Install this site as an app and select it. You'll then be prompted to name your new app. I suggest naming it Sora 2 for easy identification. Once you've named your app, simply click on the install button to proceed. At this point, Edge will take care of the rest by creating an app version of Sora 2 that you can conveniently access from your desktop or start menu. With Sora 2 now installed as an app, it will open in its own window separate from Edge, providing you with easy access and a dedicated workspace, much like a native Windows application. Having Sora 2 installed this way not only gives you quick access, but also provides a more focused environment free from browser-related distractions. And there you have it! You've successfully installed Sora 2 on Windows using Microsoft Edge. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy Sora 2 as if it were a traditional app, with all the benefits of a standalone application while leveraging the convenience of the web platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this makes your experience with Sora 2 as seamless as possible.